Ever struggled with dough that just won't rise or frosting that's too lumpy? Today, we're diving into the top 6 stand mixers that will transform your baking game. Stick around, and I'll show you the perfect mixer for every recipe. Check the links in the description. At number 6 is KitchenAid Head Stand Mixer. Ever wondered why some bakers achieve perfectly smooth batters while others struggle? The KitchenAid Head Stand Mixer might be the secret. Tested for real-world comfort, its 59-point planetary mixing action ensures every ingredient is fully incorporated, no more scraping or uneven mixes. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl handles batches big enough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread, making it a standout in our top 6 mixers for baking. The Power Hub transforms it into a full culinary center with over 15 optional attachments, giving unmatched versatility. Pros: precise, durable, expandable. Cons: slightly heavier than tilt-head models, higher price point. Compared to smaller or compact mixers, it's built for serious bakers seeking reliability and consistency. If you want professional quality results at home, this mixer is a smart, worry-free choice. Which recipe would you tackle? On number 5 is KitchenAid Bowl-Lift. Ever struggled with scraping every bit of dough from your mixer bowl? The KitchenAid Bowl-Lift stand mixer solves that effortlessly. Tested for real-world comfort, its 11-speed control lets you gently fold delicate ingredients or power through dense bread dough with precision. The massive 7-quart bowl lifts securely, making it easy to mix large batches, perfect for cookies, bread, or mashed potatoes, without spillage. The double flex edge beater scrapes the bowl continuously, ensuring every ingredient is perfectly incorporated, a feature that sets it apart from other mixers in our top 6 roundup. Pros: powerful, precise, built for heavy use. Cons: larger footprint, premium price. If you want professional level results at home and a mixer that handles serious baking with ease, this is a smart, worry-free investment. How many cookies would you bake first with this powerhouse? At number 4 is Hamilton Beach Flat Beater. Struggling with uneven cake batter or sticky cookie dough? The Hamilton Beach Flat Beater turns that frustration into effortless mixing. Tested for real-world comfort, its 450-watt motor powers through thick batters while maintaining consistent speed. The planetary mixing action ensures every ingredient in the 5-quart stainless steel bowl gets perfectly combined, no more scraping the sides mid-bake. Unlike other mixers in our top 6 lineup, this attachment is versatile, handling everything from cookies to pizza dough with ease. Plus, the specialty attachment hub lets you expand your mixer for pasta, grinding, and more, making it a smart, space-saving investment. Pros: powerful, thorough, expandable. Cons: slightly bulky for small kitchens. If you crave stress-free, professional-style results at home, this is a reliable, worry-free choice. Tell me, what would you bake first with this? On number 3 is Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Ever tried mixing thick bread dough by hand and ended up with a workout instead of baked perfection? The Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer solves that struggle. Tested for real-world comfort, its 400-watt motor powers through sticky doughs, fluffy meringues, and rich cake batters effortlessly. With 12 speeds and planetary mixing action, every ingredient in the 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl gets perfectly incorporated, no more uneven mixes. The included dough hook, whisk, and flat beater make it versatile for nearly any recipe in your top 6 mixers for baking journey. Compared to other models, it's durable, all metal, and backed by a 3-year warranty, giving peace of mind with every bake. Pros: powerful, precise, long-lasting. Cons: slightly heavier than compact mixers. If you want reliable, stress-free baking, this is a smart, kitchen-savvy choice. Which recipe would you tackle first? At number 2 is Hamilton Beach Planetary Mixing. Ever wondered why some bakers swear by their stand mixers while others struggle with lumpy batter and messy counters? The Hamilton Beach Planetary Mixer might just be the secret weapon you're missing. Tested for real-world comfort, this 300-watt powerhouse tackles everything from thick bread dough to fluffy meringues with ease. Its planetary mixing action ensures no ingredient is left unmixed, and the 3.5-quart stainless steel bowl handles generous batches without spills. With a dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, it's versatile enough for cookies, cakes, and more, perfect for anyone exploring the top 6 mixers for baking. Compared to pricier models, it delivers impressive performance while saving space. Pros: reliable, versatile, reduces mess. Cons: slightly smaller bowl than professional models. If you want stress-free, consistent baking, this is a smart, worry-free pick. Who's ready to upgrade their kitchen? Now moving to the last one is Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer. Did you know one appliance could save you from clutter and tackle almost every mixing task? The Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer does just that, combining the power of a mini stand mixer with the flexibility of a handheld. Tested for real-world comfort, it's perfect for thick cookie doughs or whipping fluffy meringues without breaking a sweat. With 6 adjustable speeds, a quick burst button, and a 290-watt motor, it handles everything from gentle folding to vigorous kneading. The 4-quart stainless steel bowl and side-to-side motion ensure no ingredient gets left behind. Dishwasher-safe attachments make cleanup effortless. Compared to other models in our top 6, it's lightweight yet surprisingly powerful, ideal for small kitchens or quick baking sessions. Pros: versatile, compact, easy cleanup. Cons: not as heavy-duty as full-size stand mixers. If you crave convenience and reliable results, this is a smart, worry-free pick. Thoughts: would this replace your current mixer? After testing all the top contenders, the KitchenAid Bowl-Lift stand mixer stands out as the clear winner. Its massive 7-quart bowl, 11-speed precision, and double flex edge beater deliver consistent, professional-level results every time. Compared to other mixers in the top 6, it handles large batches effortlessly, scrapes the bowl perfectly, and offers unmatched durability. With its power, versatility, and reliability, it's a smart, worry-free investment for serious bakers who want stress-free, flawless results in every bake. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best stand mixer for baking. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.